Hi kids, it's Mrs. Compton and I'm back to do some math with you. Surprise, surprise, right? Okay, so today we are going to do another number talk and we're going to start off with a number talk that has the first number missing, just like we did on Monday. Okay, so let's check this one out. Here we go. Blank plus 8 makes 22. Okay, it's really important that you pause for your think time. So go ahead and hit pause and think about how you would solve this. Okay, are you ready? Okay, don't scare your neighbors this time. So on the count of 3, I want you to tell me what the answer is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. What did you say? Did you say 14? Okay, let's find out. What plus 8 makes 22? Maybe you thought about these guys. So maybe you thought, okay, I just need 22. So I'm going to break that one off, and I'm going to have 22 like this. And then I know I need 8 plus a number makes 22. So maybe I will just take 8. I know 2 plus 8 makes 10, so I'm just going to take 2 off there. And I'm going to put the green with the blue. Got it. Okay. So then now I have 8 plus what? This is still 22. It just is all jumbled around now. So 8 plus, let's check this out, 10 plus 2 more. So I know 8 plus 14 would make 22. So maybe you thought about it like that. Or one of our famous strategies, we love number lines, right? So maybe you thought about it as, I could still hop from 8 and get to 22, just like in our start with get to. And I could figure 8 plus 2 is 10 because we know friends of 10. All right, and then 10 plus another 10 is 20, and 20 plus 2 more is 22. So then our answer is in the hops. You got it. So 2 plus 10 plus 2 is 14. Maybe you thought about it like that. I don't know. You've got to tell me in the comments. I love seeing your comments. So please make sure you tell me what you are thinking about. All right, I've got another one. I hope it's a challenge. Don't forget, you've got to really challenge your brain and stretch your brain. So it should take you a couple seconds here, maybe even a minute to figure it out. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Just matters that you're getting a good strategy. All right, so our next one is what number plus 12 equals 28. All right, so let's all think about it. All right, on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me. I think I heard 16. Did you say 16? I think you did. All right, so let's find out. Here I have 30, but I actually don't need 30. I only need 28. So I'm going to just peel 2 of these guys off. And now I have 28. Okay, so here's 28. And I know I have to figure out 12 plus what makes this right here. Now, I'm going to imagine that you may be thinking about these in your head. You might not be, though. I don't know. You got to tell me in the comments. Okay, so 12. What if I made a 12? I haven't changed the number of cubes that I have. I've just changed them around. I plucked off 2 from here, and I added it onto the 10, and now I have 12. Whoop, see? Count them out. Do I have 12? I think I do. So now I can figure out if I have 12 here, and I know altogether this thing makes 28, I can figure out, I know I have 10 greens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues. So together that makes 16. So that would back up our idea that the answer would be 16 plus 12 makes 28. Or maybe, again, maybe you did a number line. Let's find out what it would look like. So if we were at 12 and we had to get to 28, 12 plus 8 is 20. And 20 plus 8 is 28. And I'm going to guess you're like, doubles fact! Do you know your doubles facts? 8 plus 8 makes 16. 8 plus 8 makes 16. Yes, in first grade, we learned all about our doubles facts. You guys are so good, right? Okay, so maybe that's how you solve that. Here comes the story. Now, it's the big reveal. I love saying hello to kids. So we are going to say hello to somebody or somebody's from Mrs. Maciel's class at Robinson. Hi, Mrs. Maciel's class. We're going to say hi to Hayden and Dylan. Hi, Hayden and Dylan. I wish I could see your faces right now. I miss you guys. All right, so here we are. Our story's all about crayons. So Hayden had some crayons. Okay, can everybody look in Hayden's hand? She has some crayons. Crayons. Okay, then Dylan gave her more crayons. Okay, so Hayden had some crayons, and then Dylan gave her some more crayons. See that? Now Hayden has crayons. Okay. How many crayons did Hayden have before Dylan shared with her? All right. So, Dylan, you're a pretty good friend. I know you've been doing some sharing, but we've got to figure out how many Hayden had before Dylan shared with her. All right. Let's check out our number sets. So, maybe you might choose 9 and 21. Or maybe you might choose 19 and 61. Or maybe you would choose 79 and 121. The important thing is you choose the one that feels right for you so that you can get some good strategies down. That's what you really have to focus on. All right, so let's try it out with 9 and 21. It's so important to read the story more than one time because really the first time we read it, we're just reading the words. And the second time we're reading it, we usually make the picture in our heads. So it's really important, right? Okay, read it with me. Hayden had some crayons. Then Dylan gave her 9 more crayons. Okay, so now we know Hayden had some crayons. Do we know how many crayons she had? Then we know Dylan gave her some crayons, and we know Dylan gave her 9 crayons. Now Hayden has 21 crayons altogether, right? So she has 21 now in her hands. We have to figure out how many crayons did Hayden have before Dylan shared with her. All right, think about what you might want to do for your strategy. And you have to pick your just right number set, check in with your teacher, and see how you should turn this into her. All right, see you guys later. Bye.